In this video, we're going to describe what a relation is. A relation is a set of ordered pairs. The ordered pairs are usually grouped with braces. Any set of ordered pairs is possible for a relation. When we look at a relation, any set of ordered pairs, there are two components that we like to discuss. One is the domain. The domain represents the x coordinates. And this is, again, a set. So the domain of this relation is the set, again, we would use our braces, of all the x coordinates. So we see here we have 1. We have 1 again. We could technically write a second 1 if we wanted to, but it's redundant, so we don't necessarily need to. And then the next x coordinate would be -4. So we would describe this as the set, which is the domain of this relation. Now the range, one would assume, would be the y coordinates of our relation. So again, it's a set of numbers, so we would have 2. 3 is the next y. And again, we have this y again, which is repeated. So we don't necessarily need to write it down, but we certainly could if we wanted to. And that's how we can get our domain and range from a relation. Now there's another option of looking at domain and range. If we looked at a graph, these are simply coordinates that we would plot. So here is 1, 2. Here is 1, 3. Here is -4, 3. And as we look at these values, we will again see that the domain, the possible x values of these coordinates represent 1 and -4. And here the y values are going to be 3 and 2. And there are other manners in which this can be demonstrated, and those will be for future classes.